Listen up, petrolheads. The future is here and it's electrified. Audi has just unveiled the new A5e hybrid, a car that blends sportiness with sustainability. This isn't just another hybrid, it's an Audi. That means it's got to be fast, sleek, and packed with technology. And let me tell you, this car delivers. The A5e hybrid comes in two potent flavors, the 220 kilowatt and the 270 kilowatt. Both are available in both Sedan and Avant models, so you can choose the style that suits you best. Don't let the hybrid badge fool you. This car is seriously quick. The 270 kilowatt version will rocket you from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 5.1 seconds. Even the base 220 kilowatt model does it in a respectable 5.9 seconds. And if you think hybrids are all about being sensible and boring, think again. The A5e hybrid boasts a top speed of 155 miles per hour. That's right, this eco-warrior can keep up with the big boys on the Autobahn. Now let's talk about what makes this car truly special, its hybrid system. Under the hood you'll find a 2.0 TFSI engine, which is already a feisty little beast. But Audi has paired it with an electric motor that takes things to a whole new level. This electric motor provides instant torque, meaning you get that satisfying push in the back the moment you hit the accelerator. But what good is a hybrid if it can't go the distance on electric power alone? Well, the A5e hybrid can travel up to an impressive 110 kilometers WLTP on a single charge. That's enough for most daily commutes without ever needing to fire up the petrol engine. And when it's time to recharge, the A5e hybrid makes it easy. With its improved battery technology, you can juice it up to 100% in just 2.5 hours using an 11 kilowatt AC charger. That's quicker than making a cuppa. Speaking of the battery, Audi has pulled out all the stops here. The new A5e hybrid gets a larger battery pack that boasts 45% more capacity than its predecessor. That means more electric range, more power and less reliance on the petrol engine. But Audi hasn't just thrown in a bigger battery and called it a day. They've also improved the car's regenerative braking system. Now, when you brake, the electric motor acts as a generator, capturing energy that would otherwise be wasted as heat. This energy is then used to top up the battery, further extending your electric range. And if you want even more control over the regenerative braking system, you can adjust its intensity using the steering wheel paddles. Talk about putting you in the driver's seat. The new Audi A5e hybrid isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that you can have performance and efficiency in one stylish package, and it's available right now. Orders are open across Europe, with prices starting at a tempting €62,500 for the A5 Sedan Hybrid Quattro 220 kilowatt. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Audi website to build your perfect A5e hybrid and experience the future of driving. This is more than just a car, it's a revolution. And it's electric.